Hello students, welcome to ixamBee. For regular updates from this particular channel, please click on the bell icon and subscribe our channel. And this particular video is destined for JAIIB course. ixamBee has launched the new JAIIB course as per the request from a lot of the students. So basically we are using the expertise of the experts who are good at both academic and corporate life, and with the help of those people we have developed a 65 hours plan for the JIIB course, which is to come in the January. So JIIB exam pattern consists of 3 papers: banking, accounting and legal, which covers the laws relating to banks. So in this video we have actually given importance to one of the 3 subjects, which is banking. So we'll be discussing certain number of questions from this particular topic of banking. Let's talk about it. Firstly, there are 5 modules in this particular principles and practices of banking subject. Module A covers Indian financial system. B covers the functions of banks. B is a bit heavy one. Then comes C, which talks about banking terminology that a student should be aware. Module D covers the support services of marketing of banking or banking services or products. And module E covers the ethics, which are also very important as a banker and certain financial institutions. Ethics in banks and certain financial institutions. So the next examination for you, it's a good news that the dates are already announced, and the thing is that there is still the registration entry which is still acceptable. You just have to pay 200 rupees extra from the normal fees, and you are already having the ixamBee course in hand. So getting the guidance and the strategy and the proper plan, proper videos and the subject notes along with the test is an already prepared thing. You just need to put your 2 to 3 hours on a daily basis and give the attempt in January itself and clear it in one go, right? So this is available only till 29th of November. So don't hesitate. You just have to hurry and be determined that you have to clear this exam for your salary increments on a regular basis, right? In JAIIB course, what we have given is, we have given you video lessons, study notes. Apart from that, there are test series that we are running. Also, the very important things is that you will be getting the live sessions from 2 of the teachers. One is Neha Ma'am, another is Shankar sir. Neha Ma'am will be taking account subjects, whereas Shankar sir will be taking your banking and legal subjects. He's also a very reputed person in the banking industry, and you will also be getting guidance on GDs and interviews, right? For free mock tests, you can visit to ixamBee website and just see the level of mock tests that we have given to you, so that you can clear the exam very easily. So don't wait, just enroll in our course. Right now, since US is also having a Thanksgiving festival, we are giving you a Thanks 38 kind of an offer, in which you just need to give the code Thanks 38 to get 38% off, flat 38% off on all the courses that we are having. To give a glimpse of what kind of tests we are giving, so this is the live platform in which you will be giving the test. It is very similar to how will you be actually giving the test. So what you're required to click is on the language that you want to take and the instructions. Then you can begin with the question. So the first question talks about Dashin is an arrangement wherein the organization can convert its debtors into realization of an upfront cash by delegating the work of collection from the debtors. So whenever an organization gives this work of debtors collection, cash collection from the debtors, it actually is referred to as factoring, and the organization to which it is given is known as a factor. So factoring is the right answer. Then save. And next, under a factoring agreement, the person who has given the services is known as factor, which we have already told you. So factor is the correct answer. Guys, see, time limit is also there, so that you can concentrate on both quick answering as well as concepts. The next question comes about the agreement in case of non-payment of the invoice value of debtors. The factoring company can collect the invoice from the client, and risk of non-payment by debtors falls on the client. For example, I'm an organization, there are some debtors and I'm not in a position to collect cash from my debtors. I can delegate this work to a person, to an organization known as factor. In case my debtors don't pay, who will be responsible? Is this factor responsible? The risk of non-payment will go on factor or me. So it depends if the factoring is with recourse or non or without recourse. In this case, since the risk is falling on me, which is the client itself, it is with recourse because the factor is having a recourse on the client. So the answer is with recourse, right? Here, since the risk of non-payment is following on the factor and not on the client, this is an example of without recourse. So the questions like these are given so that you can actually analyze and try to solve the questions. So like this, we have given questions in each and every subject for you to to be good at a particular topic and excel at that particular paper while giving the JAIIB exam on a real-time basis. So all the best. You should enroll for the course and please register yourself as quickly as possible so that the deadline is not passed, right?